In today's video, I will share with you 9 photo editing skills every Gimp users should know. Let's get started. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with other photo editing software like Photoshop, you'll find Gimp to be a versatile and powerful tool for enhancing your images. Let's delve into the essentials of using Gimp for photo editing. Before diving into editing your photos, here are a few key points to keep in mind. When opening images in Gimp, they may appear zoomed out. Adjust the view by going to View, Zoom, then Fit Image in Window. Gimp doesn't support non-destructive editing, so always work on the duplicate copies of your images to preserve the original. Consider applying edits to duplicated layers within the image for easier adjustments later on. The first photo editing skill is straightening your horizon. Correcting a crooked horizon is crucial for improving the overall composition of your photos. Gimp offers a dedicated horizon straightening tool. Use the Measure tool to draw a line along the horizon. Under the tool options, set clipping to crop the result, then click Straighten. Crop the image using Image, then crop to content for a polished finish. The second photo editing skill is cropping photos. Cropping allows you to adjust the composition of your images or remove unwanted elements. Select the Crop tool or simply use the shortcut key Shift-C and draw the desired crop area. Maintain the aspect ratio by holding Shift while dragging the selection. Fine-tune the crop by adjusting the edges or repositioning the selection. The third photo editing skill is improving exposure. Fix overexposed or underexposed areas in your photos using the Exposure tool. Navigate to Colors, then Exposure. Then adjust the black level and exposure sliders to achieve the desired brightness and contrast. Preview changes in real time and fine-tune as needed. The fourth one is correcting white balance. Ensure natural colors by adjusting the white balance. To do this, go to Colors, Auto, then White Balance for automatic correction. For manual adjustments, use Colors, then Levels to set a gray point in the image. The fifth one is tweaking photo colors. Enhance the vibrancy of the images by adjusting the hue, saturation, and lightness. Navigate to Colors, then go to Hue and Saturation. Then experiment with overall saturation or adjust the specific color channels for customized results. The sixth one is adding photo contrast. Boost the visual impact of your photos with increased contrast. Utilize the Levels tool at Colors, then Levels. Then drag the handles to adjust the tonal range and maximize the contrast. The seventh one is removing dust from photos. Eliminate dust spots with the Healing tool. Zoom in the image and select the Healing tool, or H, and adjust the brush size, then press Ctrl then click to sample nearby areas to cover dust spots. The eighth one is removing backgrounds. Replace unwanted backgrounds with a more suitable option. Add an alpha channel to the layer containing the image. Then use the Foreground Select tool to separate the foreground from the background. Delete the background to create transparency and add a new background layer. And the last one is resizing images. Resize your images for specific purposes, such as web or print. To do this, go to Image, then Scale Image, and enter the desired width in pixels. Use cubic interpolation for optimal image quality. With these fundamental techniques, you can elevate your photos to new heights using Gimp. Remember to practice and experiment with different tools and features to unlock the full potential of this versatile photo editing software. And don't forget to explore additional resources, such as plugins, to expand your editing capabilities further. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.